guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at the BGVP DMGs. Quite a mouthful. It's a different brand that I haven't looked at before. These were actually sent to me. They were sent to me by Linsold Tech. This is not a sponsored video, but they did send these to me for free. So I will throw their details down below under this video. Check them out. But because these were sent to me, I didn't really know what to expect. I haven't really tried any earbuds by BGVP before. It's a new brand to me. I noticed that they had 2 dynamic drivers, 4 balanced. I'm guessing that's 1 dynamic and 2 balanced in each earbud. The other thing I noticed straight away was the frequency range goes down below 20 Hertz, goes down to 15 Hertz. Our hearing normally only goes down to about 20 Hertz. So whenever I see this on earbuds that it goes down below 20, sort of expecting that sub bass, a really deep bass. I always find that you get a really good bass when they advertise low frequencies like that. But other than that, I didn't really know much about these earbuds to start off with. So let's get into them. Let's have a look at what you get. So these earbuds were really impressive. They came in this black metal casing. They also have a blue version and a red version. You also get a braided cable. It's a silver coated braided cable. The silver coated cables help with distortion. And you get all those ear tips. There's about 10 different sizes of ear tips, different sizes, different types. So that's really cool to see. You don't see that in a lot of the cheaper earbuds. So no matter what you like, what type of earbud, you should find one that fits you with these. As well as the ear tips, you also get the nozzles, the sound filters. You get an extra gold and silver. These help to change the sound of the earbud. So when I saw that it came with all these extras, all the different filters, you don't get those with the cheaper earbuds. I had a look at these, and these are around 140 US dollars. That's almost $200 here in Australia. So a little bit more expensive than what I have been reviewing, the KZs and the other brands, the TRNs. But I think it's really cool that these come with so many different options. You can sort of customize them to how you like it. One of the things I didn't really like was the ear hooks. They sort of seem a little bit unfinished. You sort of just have to squeeze the cable through the rubber ear hook, sort of like a casing. Doesn't really seem to stay on the cable all too well. Doesn't seem to hook to the earbud. I just don't think it seems that finished. Once you are wearing it, it does seem to stay on your ear really well, but it just is a little bit awkward putting them on. But straight off the bat, they're really comfortable, they fit really well, they isolate really well. You get that great selection of ear tips and a really nice build quality and styling. I really like the look of these earbuds. They feel really well made. Just a really cool looking earbud. So when listening to these earbuds, you will get the option of all the different nozzles or sound filters. Black is meant to be well balanced, the silver is meant to be treble enhanced, and the gold is meant to be bass enhanced. When I first tried the black, or the standard that comes with it, they're meant to be well balanced. It sounded quite muffled to me, sort of like a bassy muffled sound, recessed vocals, lots of highs. I didn't really like the sound of it. This is also going to depend on what you listen to, what you like, what your preference is. But overall I didn't really like the sound using those black nozzles. The silver nozzle is meant to bring out the highs or the treble. You'll get really nice clear vocals. You'll still get a lot of bass. These are really bassy set of earbuds. A lot more bass than pretty much every earbud that I've tried so far. However, my hearing is quite sensitive to highs, so using these, they sound a little bit too bright for me on some songs. Again, this is down to each person. Everyone hears differently, everyone has different preference. everyone listens to different kinds of music. So that's why these are so cool. You can swap them around, you can try them, you can customize them to how you like it. The third and my favorite is the gold nozzle. To start off with, they look really cool. I like the little gold accent, but these just sound the best to me. They sound the best to my hearing. They don't really seem like they have a lot more bass. They just seem really well balanced. I love how they sound with these. The gold nozzles really seem to tame the highs. They bring out the bass. The vocals are still really nice and clear. I just like the overall sound stage using the gold nozzles. Like I said, I really like how you can customize these. You can set them up how you like it, change their ear tips, change the nozzles, add that ear hook if you like. You can get the black, the red, the blue version. I just really like how customizable these are. So with the sound of these, they have really nice detail, nice separation, a really full sound. Instruments and vocals seem really nice, really clear. And like I said, these have a lot of bass. It's not overpowering, but there is a lot of bass. It's a really well-rounded, deep bass, and I really like the overall sound of these. I'd love to compare them to other earbuds that I've tried, but with the different price range, it's probably not really fair. Like I said, some of the earbuds are probably a quarter of the price of these, or even less, maybe an eighth. If you're looking at the KZ ZS3s, they're only around $20. These are almost $200 here in Australia. But just sort of testing them out with the TRN V80s that I just tried, also the KZ AS10s, they're both two of the most recent earbuds that I've tried. Those both seem to have a little bit more separation. They sort of throw sound around a little bit more, have a little bit wider sound stage than these DMGs. But listening to those two earbuds after the DMGs, they both sound a little bit flat. They lack all that deep bass, the well-rounded sound. These just have a really nice full sound. I really like them, I really recommend them. If you're looking at them, definitely check them out. Really good build quality, really nice sound. If you have any other questions, make sure you comment down below. I always try to get back to my comments. If you have any questions about comparing them with other earbuds that I've tried, make sure you comment. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.